I'm Bodgan, 20 years old. After high school, I had no idea what to do. I was interested in so many things that it was hard to choose. Philosophy, psychology, sport, tourism, photography, videography. I was accepted on all my choices, but in the end, I chose Excelia. I like to get around La Rochelle by bike. It's a great place for cycling. There's so much to here. Concert, parties, sports, museums, diving, beaches. La Rochelle is a small and friendly city. I feel quite at home here. I also like the fact that you get to meet people from all over the world. You hear a lot of different languages as soon as you step foot inside Excelia. Even without actual traveling, you already feel like you're abroad. I'm part of the Sports Office Association. I work on the communication side, developing the promotion of events and all other sports activities. We each have our own responsibilities, which teaches us to be organized. It's very educational because an association is like a mini company. When I'm not at school, I take advantage of being by the coast to do sport. Swimming, running, diving, wave training. As a swimmer, diver, lifeguard and first aider, it's very important for me to stay in shape. In addition to sport, I enjoy meditation. It helps me to relax and stay focused. It was my internship that really helped me to progress the most. I worked in a 5-star hotel in Santorini, Greece. I went there alone and they gave me such a warm welcome. The hotel was in a great location. The view was stunning. However, the work was quite demanding. It made me even more disciplined and responsible. Another experience that had an impact on me and helped me fine-tune my life plan was my academic expatriation. I love studying in Germany. What really struck me was how fast everything moves over there. I feel extremely productive, and once my studies are finished, my goal is to go back. I did my Humacité project with La Protection Civile. I really wanted to get involved in this association. In fact, I liked it so much that I never stopped. I still work there as a volunteer. Having the opportunity to travel and to be entrepreneurial really helped me to evolve quickly. Right now, I have a lot of ideas in mind. I still have 6 months left at Excelia. After that, I'll head straight to Germany.